Imagine a time before written records, before kings and queens, when communities began to organize themselves in ways that led to power differences and social classes. How do we even begin to piece together such ancient developments? It is a fascinating puzzle, isn't it? Absolutely, archaeology can uncover the origins of social hierarchy, and it serves as a primary method for understanding these complex early societal structures. By carefully examining the material remains left behind, archaeologists piece together evidence of differential status, wealth, and power long before written history emerged. This field provides invaluable insights into how inequality first arose. The core mechanism lies in the patterned variation of material culture across a site or region, which reflects past social organization. Archaeologists look for consistent differences in grave goods, housing size and elaboration, access to exotic materials, and the distribution of specialized craft production. These patterns are not random, but instead signify varying levels of social standing, access to resources, and control over labor within a community. By analyzing these distinctions, researchers can infer the presence and evolution of social strata and hierarchies. To identify these ancient hierarchies, archaeologists meticulously analyze various forms of evidence. They map settlement patterns to see if certain residences are larger or more centrally located. They excavate burial sites, examining the richness and quantity of items interred with individuals, which can signal achieved or ascribed status. They study craft specialization, noting who produced what and where, indicating divisions of labor and control over production. Furthermore, they trace trade networks to understand how different groups acquired high-value resources and if access was restricted. One particularly revealing indicator is the presence of monumental architecture or public works that requiring significant coordinated labor, such as pyramids, large defensive walls, or extensive irrigation systems. The ability to mobilize and direct such labor suggests a centralized authority or an elite class capable of organizing large-scale projects. These structures are not just impressive feats of engineering, but also tangible evidence of the social power required to build them. Studying these patterns across different sites and time periods helps track the emergence of more complex, stratified societies from simpler egalitarian ones. Ultimately, archaeology offers a unique window into the deep past, allowing us to see how human societies began to organize themselves into hierarchical systems. By understanding these ancient origins, we gain a deeper appreciation for the long-term historical development of social inequality, which remains a significant subject of study in human societies around the world today.